Happy holidays. Thanksgiving's over. What are we gonna do with all of our leftover Thanksgiving? Some people like to make turkey sandwiches. Some people like to do this, and you might get sick of it. I'm gonna show you what to do with your leftovers, okay? It includes leftover turkey, leftover stuffing, main ingredient, you're gonna need that. Cranberries, some turkey gravy, it's all heated up, ready to go. A waffle iron, some oil, some spray, and a couple eggs, okay? So get your stuffing, whatever you have left over, just. Let's do 4 eggs. Okay, 4 eggs. And then just depending on how much dressing you have left, stuffing, kind of make a determination. So I'm kind of determining right now that I need probably a half a cup of oil. So you kind of want to get everything like pancake mix almost. It's kind of how you want your stuffing to feel. So just play with that. And so I'll be adding as I mix. So once you get all that in there, just kind of mix all this up. Okay, add the cranberries. We're gonna mix this all up. Okay, next thing, let's add it to the iron. Spray this down. Okay. Okay, so let's let this baby cook. Now, this might be something you have to practice at home, but I learned it's about 6 to 8 minutes inside the waffle iron before it forms a perfect waffle. All right, so this one's been on for exactly 8 minutes. So I think she's ready. Ooh, she looks good. So she's out, she looks good. Let's get this turkey. We got the leftover turkey going. We got some dipping sauce. Some dipping sauce, all that is just our old, is the gravy from Thanksgiving Day. So just a cool way to do your leftovers. So just kind of follow the line. Okay, let's make a sandwich. Go like that, I'll throw some turkey on there as well. And there you go, the turkey sandwich. Stuffing edition. All right, well, sorry, but there's only one thing left to do. Make sure you guys try this. I mean, it's something cool. Experiment in the kitchen. Try it out. Let me know what you think as I lose everything here. Dip it. It's all one Thanksgiving meal and a sandwich. That's fantastic. Thank you guys for watching this. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how your Thanksgiving was. Happy holidays. Go Cowboys.